What is this number?
The most classic example of E is deriving it from compound interest.
If the bank gives us 100% interest every year, we can put in $1 and get 2 back. And if we start to compound more and more often, then our money will increase and increase until it converges at 2.718.
Does that show us why E is in so many functions involving exponential growth? Another explanation of E comes from the finding that e to the x is its own derivative. But why does that matter? You know, the inventor of logarithms, John Napier, said that you can express any number as just a base to a certain exponent. Why are we using such an irrational base like e when we can use one like 2 or 10? That's a lot more intuitive. Well, let's look at it from a different perspective. In nature, nothing grows at a constant rate. As the size of a population increases, so does the rate of growth. This can be modeled by an exponential curve, which has the same property, that the rate of change is proportional to the current value. We also have to establish that the number system isn't discrete. It's continuous, like time. At every single moment, you're going to be on a certain point, like skateboarding. I'm not teleporting between integers. I'm traveling continuously through an infinite amount of points. This continuity helps distinguish the difference between E and other bases. Let's look at bacteria growth. Every time interval, a cell doubles, so it seems right to use 2 to the x. But if we look at it at the macro scale, a pound of bacteria, every little moment, there's some doubling, not just on the time intervals. It's continuous growth. So now it doesn't seem right to use 2 as a base. Instead, we can model based on growth rate, the derivative. Since the defining feature of an exponential function is that its derivative is proportional to its current value, using e as a base seems a lot more intuitive now, since e is the only base where it's equal to its own derivative. So e is sort of like a unit value for exponential growth, and it's the perfect expression for constant, natural, continuous growth.